Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to limit or turn off comments on Facebook posts. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now I want you to click your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll all the way down to the post that you want to limit or turn off comments. And take note, if your post is set up to friends only, once you click the three dots located at the top right corner of the post, you will not see the option to limit or turn off comments. But if your post is set up to public, once you click the three dots located at the top right corner of the post, you will be able to see who can comment on this post. You just need to click who can comment on this post so that you can edit or limit or turn off comments on that specific Facebook post. And that's it. That's how you limit or turn off comments on Facebook posts. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!